Garmin just dropped the Tactix 8, barely a day after launching the Descent G2, and yeah, it's basically the Fenix 8, but with some extras that stand out. This new tactical smartwatch now comes in a smaller 47mm case option, along with the 51mm, plus a built-in speaker and mic for hands-free voice commands. The AMOLED display, which first appeared in the Tactix 7, is now standard across both sizes. And there's still a solar edition with MIP display if you need that extra battery life. It even has a built-in LED flashlight that shines green when you press a button, super handy for night vision gear. There's also a night vision mode that tweaks screen brightness to work better with that equipment, and a stealth mode that cuts off GPS and all wireless connections when you need to stay under the radar. Navigation's pretty solid too. You can set waypoints by just picking a distance and direction from where you are. It's got international topographic maps preloaded, and if you go for the Garmin Outdoor Maps Plus subscription, you can download even more detailed maps with satellite imagery. If you're flying, the Tactix 8 gives you weather updates with wind speeds, visibility, and air pressure. Divers? You're covered too. This watch is water resistant up to 10 ATM with a 40-meter dive rating, handling scuba and apnea dives with full underwater navigation and support for multiple gas mixes. There's even a kill switch that wipes all your data instantly if you need it gone. Garmin's also added a new rucking activity that takes your backpack's weight into account when tracking calories burned. Plus, applied ballistics software helps with long-range shooting calculations. Of course, it's got all the fitness and smart features you'd expect from a Fenix 8. ECG, heart rate, SpO2, VO2 max estimates, training status, NFC for Garmin Pay, and access to apps and watch faces through Garmin Connect IQ. The rugged design is built to military standards, MIL STD 810, with leak-proof buttons and a scratch-resistant sapphire display. Battery life depends on the model. The 47mm AMOLED runs up to 16 days in smartwatch mode, while the 51mm solar model can hit 48 days. But heavy use of maps, dual-frequency GNSS, and voice commands will drain that faster. In any case, the watch comes with 32 gigs of internal storage. It's available starting February 21st, priced at $1,299 for the 47mm AMOLED, $1,399 for the 51mm versions, and $1,599 for the Solar SB Elite with applied ballistics. It's a beast of a watch, but with that price tag, is it worth it? Let me know what you think. Peace.